guys, I'm starting to put the 50 back together again. So it's time to put on the moto seal. Some guys use different stuff. This stuff has always done me right. It's never failed me. Anyhow, just want a very thin coat. And you have everything ready before you even start. I got the bolts and the wrench, ratchet and everything over here. I put a little thin coat on both parts. Be sure not to plug my impulse hole. All right, just a thin coat, but as thin as you can get it. Do the same thing to the base. Several different things that they're made for this. This is just what I like. Y'all use what you want. It's just whatever works for you. This stuff skins over fairly quickly. So I try to do it as fast as I can. Get it as uniform as I can. So I'm ready to put it on now. Put the jug on. Okay. I think we'll be ready with the jug. Make sure these things are clean before you use them. This one was filthy. And this piston didn't have an arrow on top of it, pointing towards the exhaust. It's got the pin on the back. So that's the only way to tell which way it's supposed to go. Have it pin on the back towards the intake. Okay, got it started. That ought to be done deal. Okay. I think it's time to check the switch. I'll be back. Well, I'm taking it back off. Squish was too tight. The motor seal didn't add to it what I thought it was going to add to it. So, do it all over again. I did one saw. I did this 3 times. So, I'm not going to start it. The squish is too tight. I'm shooting for 20, and it was below that. So, ain't no need in getting in a hurry. I'll tell you that right now. You get in a hurry in saw building, you ain't going nowhere. So, I don't know if I can wipe into this stuff. I'll have to scrape it off. I expect I'm going to have to scrape it off. Oops. Sorry, I hit you. Better now than later. Be sorry you didn't. So, I got to raise the roof a little bit more. I thought the 3 thousandths I raised it was going to be enough, but it wasn't. All right. So, oh, before I forget it, I got these from Dyno Joe Mods. Check him out on YouTube. He's got some good vids. I got 4 different sizes here for exhaust ports on mufflers. Anyhow, he makes stainless steel also. This is mild steel. That's what I wanted. It's easy to cut, easy to drill, easy to shape. But he does have stainless steel also if you like working with stainless steel, which I don't. But anyhow, I haven't used one of them yet, but I'm going to use one of them on this saw, and it's going to probably be this one. It's right near a corner, so I can bend these around the corner to where I want them. So they were $4 a piece. I can't make them for that with all the aggravation. So I'll be back. Well, I got it back together. Let's see if she starts. much gas is in it. That's plenty. I'm gonna have to put the hood on it. The hood chokes it. Got a little lever on top of the hood that pushes down on this and chokes it. And I'm having trouble holding it with my thumb. That's enough until I get a muffler on it. So, the way the choke works on these 50s, if y'all don't have one, you push this up, and that pushes in on the center of the air cleaner, and that seals off the back of the carburetor. There's no flap or nothing in the carburetor. That's how it chokes. So, at least it started. So, I'm happy. Thanks for watching the vid, guys.